Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 19th of July. I'm James Spann. Fairly typical summertime weather today, but we'll be watching for potential for an organized batch of strong to severe storms tomorrow night into at least part of the day Saturday. Let's take a look. This is the upper air look this morning. Got a nice trough over the northeast United States. Heat ridge off to the west. Dallas-Fort Worth had 106 yesterday. Thankfully, that mess stays west of here. Check the radar this morning. That was at 5:06. Had a couple of showers down in Greene and Hale counties in West Alabama. Batch of decaying showers over northeastern Mississippi. The rest of the state is quiet. Heat problems for Dallas-Fort Worth, Oklahoma City. They'll see triple-digit highs most likely today, but things are quiet here to start the day. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. We've got a risk of severe storms centered up around St. Louis and Des Moines, a marginal risk down to Memphis. And then tomorrow, an enhanced risk over parts of Indiana and Kentucky, and the standard slight risk, that's level 2 out of 5, extends down into northeast Alabama, and a marginal risk down to Birmingham and Anniston. And keep in mind, this outlook extends through 7 a.m. Saturday, so this includes tomorrow night. And we do expect a batch of organized storms to come down the pike. And then after 7 a.m. Saturday, we have a marginal risk of severe storms for parts of East Alabama, places like Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Alexander City, Auburn, Opelika. And we'll talk about the specifics on this in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The east is relatively wet. Check the rain numbers for our state. The heavier totals over southeast Alabama. This is showing about 3 inches for Dothan. Lighter amounts for the northwestern counties of the state. But every day we'll have scattered showers and storms around. And the good news for those beach goers, the tropics are very quiet. Nothing happening and no tropical issues most likely through much of next week. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1. Shortwave digging down through parts of the upper Midwest and the high plains. And for us, a fairly typical summer day today. Hot, muggy, low 90s, a few scattered storms around, especially this afternoon. Tomorrow, there's a surface low north of Chicago around Milwaukee. And again, during the day, things should be fairly quiet with low 90s. And there could be a storm in spots, but the issue comes tomorrow night into Saturday morning with some energy coming down the pike. Thought I'd show you the storm environment. This is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock Central Time. This is the instability. And understand, instability values are always high in the summer, every day. But this is pretty high for summer, even for summer. The instability, the max CAPE there is 5,286 joules per kilogram over northwest Alabama. So the air very unstable. And this is the supercell composite, one of the composite indices, and the numbers are very high. It hits 50 units. And part of that's just the high instability values. But there's some dynamic forcing coming into play. So there is concern we could see a batch of organized storms with potential for strong straight-line winds, and maybe even an isolated tornado. Let's take a look at the high-res NAM. This is tomorrow evening at 11 o'clock, and here it comes. You can see, according to this model, and again, the timing could change. The models often don't do well with these type of northwest flow events, but this is suggesting that batch of storms enters the Tennessee Valley tomorrow night, maybe 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and again, this output's at 11 o'clock. This is Saturday morning, just after midnight tomorrow night, Saturday morning, 1 a.m., and that MCS is coming down through Birmingham, and maybe as far west as Tuscaloosa. The main concern here, strong straight-line winds. Could this be a derecho type thing? Not totally out of the question. And then Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, the storms are weakening down to the south of Birmingham. And then by Saturday afternoon at 1, things are pretty quiet. That morning convection will probably stabilize the atmosphere. So it looks like the weekend could start with a bang with strong to severe storms late Friday night and Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon could be relatively quiet. We'll go back to the GFS. This is Saturday. And again, that surface low north of us, but I think Saturday afternoon pretty quiet. Let's go to Sunday. The deeper moisture probably off to the east, but still there's sufficient moisture for at least scattered showers and storms about. And then next week we'll have a muggy air mass. The air fairly unstable, so every day a risk of scattered showers and storms. This is Tuesday. And this is Wednesday. Got a surface front north of us that probably never pushes through here. This is a week from today, Thursday the 26th, troughing to the north, extending down in here. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms about with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 28th. Again, troughing north and west of the state, and that looks kind of wet and soupy there. But heat, not a problem here. How about these numbers as we get into the climatological peak of the heat in the summer? We'll see low 90s today and tomorrow, but look at all the 80s next week. Highs mid to upper 80s and lows upper 60s to near 70, and that is not bad for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.